Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you 10 great organizing ideas that you can have in your home, and you're probably going to be able to find these items from the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General or maybe even a thrift store. But you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Guys, most of the items in the video I'll be showing you, I actually purchased a lot of them from the Dollar Tree. Some of them didn't come from the Dollar Tree, but I will identify those in the video. However, the first item I want to show you is this nice lunch tray that I got from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I'm not using it for a lunch tray. Actually, I'm using it to store my hairpins. I'm actually using it to store, as you can see, my scrunchies for my hair, and also I'm using it to store the clips. I've had this tray for quite some time, you guys, and I promise you this is a great way, like if you have small children and you want to keep up with their barrettes and their hair clamps and all those type of things, you guys, this is a great way to use this type of storage container or lunch tray from the Dollar Tree that'll help you stay organized and keep everything in its place. The next item I want to show you is this nice small little container, another item that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, which is a jewel, because this little jar can be used for a plethora of things. Like if you want to store cotton balls or makeup wipes or anything. I actually use it to store my sponges. Now I've used it to store some kind of little small towels. You can also use it to store pods. Another great organizing idea is using shoe racks. I actually got this shoe rack from, I believe it was a store here called Roses. And so I was like, you know, I'm not going to use it for shoes. I decided to use it to store our towels. Now this shoe rack can play as a dual function. It can not only store your larger towels, but it also can store your face towels. So again, if you have a lot of towels everywhere, or you may have a laundry room that is overflowing, just find another storage space in your home. Use the shoe rack to take over those excessive amount of towels that you may have and use it as a good storage and organizing tool. As an idea that I want to talk about is this nice cart that I got from a place called Roses. I think I paid like $10 for it, but as you can see, actually using it to store those extra cleaning supplies and toilet paper. This would be a good cart to use to keep you organized. The next item I want to talk about is these nice, beautiful pearls that I've had for so long, guys. I just love pearls. I don't know, I think they're very classy, sophisticated. I love pearls. But needless to say, as you can see, I have it stored in an actual Dollar Tree container that is used somewhat for maybe an office supplies. Some people use these to store their forks and knives in. So, but again, I chose it to store my nice pearl necklaces. Next organizing idea that I want to share with you guys is this nice lipstick container. Now, it's supposed to be used for lipstick, but you can see I am storing it to store my small earrings. Now, the way I like to organize my small earrings is by colors. As you can see, I got the golds, some of the lavenders, I got some of the silvers, some of the black earrings, all in the same location. The next organizing idea that I want to share with you guys is how to organize your canned goods. It's been a while since I did an organizing video on my pantry, but since then I've been able to keep it organized. But I just wanted to share with you guys this nice little Dollar Tree basket that I use to keep my canned goods in. You guys, this is a great way to keep everything, again, compartmentalized. Another item that I have purchased from the Dollar Tree, there's a trend here as you can see, are these nice trays that are typically used for whatever you want them to be used for. That's how I feel. I chose to use these trays to organize my spices in my cabinet. I do not have a large spice collection. These 3 trays were ideal for my spice collection that I purchased. This is another tray that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I decided to use it to share, y'all. Did I say share? To use. Another organized idea that I want to share with you is actually a tray that I use to store our tools. Now these are not all the tools that I have, but I do try to keep tools on each level of my home. So this actual tools are actually in my kitchen area. So this is a perfect fit. It's not a lot. It's not cumbersome or anything like that. So again, if you guys are looking for a great organizing idea, you can use these type of trays from the Dollar Tree to organize your tools. Another great Dollar Tree find that I truly enjoy, I'm very proud of, is my shoe boxes. The shoe boxes that I have are currently being used to house my cleaning supplies. I have an abundance of cleaning supplies, you guys, so therefore everything has to be nice, neat, and these clear containers. So when it's time for me to do a servicing from one of my clients, all I got to do is go downstairs in my garage, look on my supply cart, and there is everything that I need. It looks so nice. So this is another great organizing idea from the Dollar Tree that you can use in order to keep your supplies organized. So you guys, I hope you really enjoyed my 10 organizing ideas. I wanted to share this with you, and I hope that it can really be beneficial if you're trying to get organized. And if you have any questions about organizing, please feel free to leave a comment below, or you can send me an email. I would be happy to give you any organizing ideas or advice that'll help you to stay organized. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, you guys.